how to Venmo as friends and family. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. Just sign into your Venmo account, and after that you will be able to find the option of pay at the bottom. The center button, just simply select it. After that you will be able to search for any person out there in your Venmo or your friends or family in the search bar, and you will also be able to see the topmost people who you usually make transactions with in your top list. Just simply search for that person using their username, email or phone, and this way you would be able to find them. Just simply tap on their profile, and after that you would be able to type the amount that you want to send, and after that type the reason that you are making this particular payment, then click on the option of pay. And after selecting the payment method, just simply click on the option of pay, and this way you would be able to make the payment to your Venmo friends or family. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.